On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be covering week 3 of 4 on PPE Beyond the Basics. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, Warehouse Safety Tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. On this week of PPE Beyond the Basics, we're going to be talking about fit and maintenance and providing you with 5 tips that are going to get you well on your way to doing just that. These are not the end-all be-all of tips. We want to make sure that you do follow the rules and regulations of your own facility, but here's where we're going to get you started. Number 1, you want to check the fit. You want to make sure that everything is just right. Just like in the Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, you want to make sure that you find the bed that is just right. In PPE terms, you want to do the exact same. You don't want it to be too big, too small, too loose, too tight. You just want to make sure that it is just right. So make sure that your PPE fits the way that it's supposed to so that you can have the maximum safety that you can possibly get from it. Number 2, we want to make sure that you inspect before every single use. So even minor damage can compromise safety. So make sure that you don't just grab and go, that you check it out, make sure that it doesn't have any cracks, any broken seals, or that it's damaged in any way. Make sure that the PPE is exactly as it's supposed to be. Number 3, you want to make sure that you clean it right. Don't use just whatever you want. Some seals can be messed up by a corrosive cleaner. You want to make sure that you don't just use whatever it is that you got at your shop, that you follow whatever the manufacturer's instructions are, and that you are cleaning your equipment correctly. And that means if you have things that are possibly tubing for breathing or something like of that nature, that you're cleaning those out and that you're just doing everything correctly. Number 4, you want to store things correctly. Don't just throw things down or put them willy-nilly wherever you think that they fit. Make sure that you put them in the right place. Make sure that you store them in dark, preferably cool areas. And I say dark because once again, things like latex around seals or paints and things like that can be affected by light and sunlight. So make sure that you pick a place that is going to be correct to the manufacturer's suggestive storing. And then last but certainly not least, don't wait to replace. So what we mean by that is if you pick something up and it looks worn, or if you see there's a crack, or just anything that is not in the optimum type situation, replace it. Okay, it's more important to replace it than to take a gamble and roll the dice on your safety. So again, these are not the end-all be-all tips and tricks, but they are going to help you get well on your way to making sure that your PPE fits and is maintained correctly. So we'll join you next week for week 4 of PPE Beyond the Basics. And until then, we can't thank you enough for being part of another Warehouse Safety Tips. Go out there, have a great day, stay safe, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line Floor Tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line Floor Tape, the only durable stripe.